Hi, this is John Link with Apache Village RV Center. Wanted to send you a quick reminder. On May 13th, we're going to have our open house. That's going to be our ride-along day. So what we're going to do is have a truck set up here, sway control. If you are a new customer looking to test drive, let's say a small travel trailer or an introductory level size fifth wheel or even a Class C or a Class A motorhome, make sure you show up on May 13th. We'll be ready to take you on a test drive with our team. So if you've never towed something or driven an RV before, this will be your opportunity to get behind the wheel and experience that with one of our professionals here. We'll see you on May 13th.